physicists just discovered the first real evidence of the multiverse? Could our universe be just one of many in an infinite cosmic web? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into a mind-blowing scientific mystery. The multiverse theory suggests that our universe isn't alone. Instead, it's part of a vast collection of alternate realities, each with its own rules, laws of physics, and perhaps even versions of ourselves. But is there any real proof? To find answers, scientists turn to the cosmic microwave background radiation, or CMBR, the afterglow of the Big Bang. It's like a cosmic fingerprint, holding clues about the earliest moments of our universe. And what they found? Absolutely fascinating. Back in 2004, researchers spotted something unusual in the CMBRA strange, massive region called the cold spot. Initially, astronomers thought it might be a supervoid area with far fewer galaxies than normal. But new research has turned that idea on its head. The cold spot's temperature and characteristics don't fit the supervoid explanation. So what else could it be? Well, some scientists now believe this might be the first actual evidence of a collision between our universe and another bubble universe. That's right, a cosmic bruise left behind when two realities bumped into each other. In 2014, the European Space Agency's Planck mission confirmed the cold spot's existence, adding more fuel to the multiverse debate. But the story doesn't end there. More recently, researchers from the Royal Astronomical Society conducted an extensive survey of 7,000 galactic redshifts. Redshifts tell us how far galaxies are from us and how the universe is expanding. But here's the kicker: none of the standard redshift theories explain the cold spot. So what does this mean? Could this be the smoking gun for the multiverse? While scientists aren't making any definitive claims just yet, this anomaly pushes the boundaries of what we know about reality. So what happens now? Scientists will continue to investigate, refine their models, and search for additional cosmic clues. If more evidence emerges, we might be on the brink of a paradigm shift in our understanding of the cosmos. What do you think? Could we be living in just one of countless parallel universes? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love space mysteries, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-expanding content. Stay curious, and keep exploring the universe.